In this video I'm going to show you how to run a moderation analysis with a predictor variable that is categorical and a predictor variable that is a continuous variable. In this example we want to predict the attitudes towards smoking based on the exposure to an ad campaign, and we want to know if there is a difference between non-smokers and smokers. For this we're going to be using a process, and process will create dummy variables for you behind the scenes, so you don't have to do that in SPSS. What we do need to know is what the reference category will be for the dummy variable, and for that we have to look at the values that are assigned to our categorical variable. So we're looking at 0 and 1, that is a 0 for the non-smokers and a 1 for the smokers. So our dummy variable will represent the smokers, being either 1 or 0. So to run this analysis we go to Analyze, we go to Regression, and we go to Process, which is already installed. And here we're going to predict attitudes towards smoking based on exposure with the smoking status as the moderator. We'll use Model 1, and under Options we mark Generate Code to visualize interaction, so we can more easily see what's going on, and we run this analysis. This takes a little bit of time. We can see the process running at the bottom here, and here are the results. We will look at the analysis in a different video, but let's take a quick look at the code that is generated to visualize this. So if you double click on the output and select this part, copy it, and in SPSS create a new syntax file. Let's move that over to this window, paste that syntax in there and run this. Then it will generate a graph with the data in it, and here if you double click this and you open the chart editor, then here under add fit line to subgroups you can indicate that you want to have the linear regression lines for this plot. So if you close this off, we now have a graph that visualizes the different regression slopes for the two groups.